Okay, guys, it's me, PC Mitchell's here. Man, I am so excited. My basic Christmas so far has really been joyful for me, and it's given me back some of my happiness. And this time of year, we all need some cheer. And right here in the box, I've been waiting for a long time. And this is from my buddy Barnaby Lang at LAF. So yeah, let's get this unboxing on the road. Got some bubble wrap here. All right, that's the holster, the custom holster that they will make for you. You order a bass knob through LAF. Love it. And without any further ado, the star of the show right here. Guys, I've never had a bass knob this nice before. This is custom made to fit my right hand, because I do everything with my right hand. This is really the nicest thing I've ever had. And since I figured this is my third and last build, why not go all out? So just a little show here to show you guys. There's the voltmeter there, guys. Man, the voltmeter, plus he's got LEDs inside there. Of course, the old Crescendo logo. You can't go wrong with that. And oh boy, this is okay. Of course, I believe this here is what you hook up the LEDs with or something. Anyways, yeah, and we got male and female in and outs. And this is a big 12-foot lead there. I wanted the 12-foot lead so I could have people sit in my car. And I can give, excuse me, had to adjust the camera there, and I can give 2 people a demo at one time, which is something I never had to do. I couldn't do before. And since I'm giving the LAF a shout out, and anybody that's wanting to get information on how to hook up the LEDs and the voltmeter, you go on, just get on YouTube. Get on YouTube and type in LAF. Barnaby has a video on there that explains how to do everything. And if you have an Android phone and you gotta download that app right there. You gotta download that app right there, and that app will give you full control on how to properly program in your controller and your bass knob. But it's really simple to do. I mean this is so simple that my 13-year-old nieces could do it. But yeah, man, I can't get over this, guys. Man, check that out. The voltmeter. Got the old LAF there. Boy, that's really nice. That is really good, nicely put together. Professional. I'm going to get a lot of usage out of this for a long time. Sweet. I got an LAF sticker. And I believe I got some more freebies too. Another LAF sticker. And I will put the website in the description of the video. That way anyone that wants to purchase a LAF bass knob of their own, they can get in contact with LAF and talk it out with them and see what you can do. Yeah. I got a few more things in here. And oh yeah, it's acrylic LAF keychain. Well, I can put that on my keychain. I got one, and I got two. Thank you, Barnaby. Man. And I got another surprise for you guys coming up soon. You guys see that big beast right there? That big beast right there? I'll do the unboxing on it soon. But yeah, I've had a lot of people request on Facebook for me to do my bass knob first. But man, this is the first time I've got to hold my bass knob in my hand. Voltmeter. But yeah, and as for that app, I already have that app downloaded on my phone. I can't wait to to get my the bass knob programmed in. And you know me running Crescendo. I gotta have orange. So so I will be programming the LEDs that are inside of this orange. But yeah, just a small unboxing video for me now, and I will be back with more. So I am the one and only PC Mental saying please rate, comment, subscribe to my videos. And I'm the one only PC Mental out. And guys, one more thing. If you guys could, please share my videos more. I need more views. And I definitely need more comments, please. I would like to have my channel grow within the new year. But see you guys later. God bless.